Hopefully it is not too dark. I know I like some shade, but the rain is coming, and this is a special review because this is actually new, right? I saw this on the fast food subreddit. This was coming out today from Wingstop. I got myself the barbecue blazed chicken wings, man. Yes, sir, man. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I asked him if there was any napkins in here. All right, one wet wipe, bro. I asked him, is there napkins in this? He's like, I got you on the wet wipes. This is one wet wipe, bro. We got the Taco Bell napkins, man. We all good. Taco Bell always hooking us up with the napkins. All right, put that all back there. Also got myself some ranch. We're gonna try it with the ranch. It smells so good in this car right now. Sweet BBQ Blaze. Wingstop. Look at that. Man, I hope it's not too dark in the car. Y'all see that? Let me get some thumbnail. Am I recording? Man, hold on now. Yeah, I'm recording. We all good. Y'all see that right there? Oh, let me put it closer, man. How about a little bit closer, man? Oh, this smells so freaking good. Okay, ranch. Let's open up the ranch. I'm gonna take a bite out of it without the ranch. I can't believe this dude gave me one wet wipe, though. Hold on, let me get some, there we go. Hold on. There we go. We got the napkins. We good. I should probably pause myself on these apps before they kick me out of the algorithm. Hold on. Give me 1 sec. DoorDash? Pause. Pause. Why isn't it pausing? All right. How about we just hop off Uber then? Uber's making me most of the money anyway. Go offline. Man, I ain't got no service here. I can't hop off because... Oh, there we go. I'm paused. 35 minutes. Hop off Uber. Oh man, this is gonna taste so good. I don't even know how to put it. Where do I put this? I need a little table or something. Hold on. You know what? I'll just put it right here. There we go. Ooh, they're hot. It's burning up my finger. Y'all see that? Ah, it's hot, bro. It just came out, man. Look at the fingers, man. Ooh, I tasted that sauce. Okay. Man, this is falling out the bone. Wow, guys. If you got a Wingstop near you, get in the car and drive over there right now. Oh, I got a crunchy piece in there. Arguably, some of the best wings I done ever ate. Wingstop is good. Wingstop makes some good wings. Oh, man, I done sucked all the meat off this one. Y'all see that? Y'all can see me right through there. Amazing. All right. Where's my napkins? I put the napkins under the box. There we go. All right. Now we're going to try it. What'd I also get? Oh, yeah. Classic Wingstop. So, again, they had Dasani. Don't like Dasani. He didn't give me a straw. And I got a Diet Coke. I shouldn't have. I should have just got the water. This probably is going to taste nasty. It ain't too bad. This tastes so good, man. Whoa, look at this piece right here. Man, what happened to this one? This is going to be a great piece to try some ranch. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man, there's a dude passing by. Hold on. Never mind, false alarm. He just lived there. Wow. Words can't describe how good this is. It's just falling off the bone. It's so hot too, it's burning up my fingers. Wingstop, y'all did great. Sweet BBQ Blaze. Can't go wrong with it. It's wet. That's what makes it so good, is how wet it is. The wetter the better, huh? That can be said for a lot of things. I just want to eat them all. I'm sitting here eating like I never ate before. I know I ain't doing much talking, I'm sorry, but I wasn't expecting it to be this good. I wasn't expecting it to be this good, man. Look at that ranch on there. Man! I'm about to go back and get 10 more. I'm about to go back and get 10 more. Man. Wow. Why are there so many people passing by on this road? They probably can't even see me. It's all good. I don't even care. They can watch me eat these wings. A lot of people gonna say, you leaving too much on it. Man, it's just bone. Y'all want me to chew on the bones? I might. They taste so good, I might just chew on the bones. Another one. Give me another one. Oh, this one's got a whole lot of sauce on it. I'm about to do eating reviews of Wingstop every day, man. Forget every other restaurant. Oh, wow, bro. Hold on, let me flip it. Let me get some ranch on this side, too. I paid for this ranch. I'm gonna review it. My mouth a mess? Yep. Man, I'm eating this like I've been starving for like 20 days. Where'd that guy going? Yeah, get out of here. I'm eating. I'm doing a review. This is a mess. This is a mess, guys. Oh man, I spilled some on my pants. Man. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful, man. I spilled some on my pants, bro. Dude was smoking and looking at me. Oh, they're sucking my fingers, man. Oh, I need more. I need more. I gotta get some drink, though. I gotta get my throat wet. Man, that's nasty. Oh. This is a terrible review, man. Why did I eat this? Why did I choose to eat this? Ain't nobody, everyone's just gonna unsubscribe at this point. Everyone's gonna be like, what the fuck am I watching? Man, it's good. I can't help it, man. I gotta give me some more ranch. All right, let's be professional. How are y'all doing? I might not be able to eat them all. I want to. I don't think I'll be able to. Wingstop gets a thumbs up from me. I'll be back. I'm a returning customer. I know everybody's eagerly waiting for the review. Oh crap, there's a kid passing by. Keep going, buddy. Keep going, nothing to see here. Nine four. 9-4. Hands down. I've had a lot of wings in my time. I've had a bunch of them. From a lot of places. I've eaten at Wingstop before. Not this flavor of wings. 9-4. 9-4 all day. 9-4 all day. Oh, I just spread around the barbecue sauce all over my pants now. I tried to scoop it up. Is there someone coming behind me? Man, if he parks right next to me. He left. Oh. I just want to... Is this a hotspot? I just want to go home and sleep. I don't want to do anything. After eating this, my life has changed. My life has changed in a way that, like, it's like, what have I been doing with myself? I'm 28. I'm 28 years old. I made it 28 years. And this is the first time I've eaten Sweet BBQ Blaze wings from the Wingstop. Like, I'm having revelations right now. Like, did I waste my life? Did I waste time? Where did I go wrong in life? How did I find myself in this situation? What the heck? There we go. How long this video been going on for? 8 minutes? I actually paused it before too. Alright. Let me just finish this wing. This is the last wing, guys. Last wing, and then we gonna do the outro. 9-4 is one of the greatest scores of all time. What a 9-4 means is if you ain't got a Wingstop in your city, you go to the next city. If you ain't got a Wingstop in your state, you fly to another state. You have got to try this. You have got to put this in your mouth. At least once in your life. People gonna get on me. Why are you eating a chicken wing like that? You eating it all wrong. I'm sitting in the car and eating it. Give me a break. Hey. 9-4. Wingstop. Yeah! 9-4 Wingstop Sweet BBQ Blaze. That's the review.